that's us right there, you know? That's Mac Bay, that's us. Pretty cool.
Hi, my name is Ben, and on my Finch project, I was able to make it move. So if I click those buttons, it can move. And this doesn't work right now because the wire's wrapped on it, but it's really cool.
Hey guys, this is Reese. I made a motorcycle in Modtech Tinkercad with exhausts on it, which is pretty neat. Eyes on it, yeah, those eyes, yep.
This is the bug that bites. We made it in SketchUp.
Just trying to stuff this trash can. I think it looks really cool. See that it has the handle, the lid, and the trash can. This is where Oscar the Grouch lives, the green guy from Sesame Street.
This is Nate from Mr. Harmon's 5th Hour on Tinkercad. We built a skeleton dude out of this skeleton piece.
Hi, my name is Rogelio, and I'm in Mr. Harmon's 1st hour, and I made this.
Michael, and I just made this dancing banana, and he has shades and an awesome mustache.
This is Nate from Mr. Harmon's 5th Hour, and we have the updated Finch remote, and now it can say things. It can say things like,
"Hi Nate. How are you doing? What's up? Hope you have a good day."
and if you type your name, what is your name?
Nice to meet you, Nate.
Ava from Mr. Harmon's computer class, and I went on Tinkercad and made a hello world and scribbler, and then I also made a little smiley face. His name's Jeff.
And I just finished the motorcycle, and Mr. Harmon also had a challenge to make a four-wheeler. It basically looks the same. I just duplicated the wheels and put them out. But also, I could also make the handlebars a little shorter if I wanted to, and then kind of move them over to make it look more like a four-wheeler. But yeah, it's basically what we did today. It looks pretty awesome too. Thanks for watching.
My name is Ben, and I made this Finch project, and this is what it says.
Subscribe to HLModTech.
So make sure you subscribe.
It's Nate from Mr. Harmon's 5th Hour, and we have another update to the Finch remote. Now it can move directions, so forward, backward, and then to the right, which doesn't really work, but...
Yeah, it's Kool-Aid Man. I'm in Mr. Harmon's 5th Hour computer class. And I made an apple. I made a fruit stand with apples, oranges, and pineapples. And now it's just got the cover.
What if you bought iPhone 11 instead of Samsung?
Yeah, pineapples, oranges, and apples.
Short leash, long stick. My least favorite way to walk. Always in danger. Somebody seems to have absolutely no regard for my safety, though. Here you go.